In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete history on Reddit. We will focus on clearing your search history on the Reddit app for Android and iPhone. Start by opening the Reddit app on your phone. Look for the white alien logo on an orange background, then tap it once. When the app opens, you should land either on your home feed or on the last tab you used, filled with posts and thumbnails. Now, tap the search icon. You will find this at the top of the screen, usually in the upper right area. It looks like a small magnifying glass. When you tap it, the main feed fades back and the search screen slides into view. Next up, tap the search bar that appears across the top. The bar usually has faint text such as Search Reddit inside it. When you tap into it, your keyboard will pop up from the bottom of the screen, ready for typing. Once that is done, your recent searches should appear just below the search bar. You will see a list of words, topics, or subreddit names you have searched for before. On some phones, these may be grouped, and you might need to scroll a little to see them all. From there, remove the search entries you no longer want to keep using the available remove option. Look for a small X icon or a remove label next to each search term. Tap the X beside any item you want to clear. As soon as you tap, that search disappears from the list, and there is no extra confirmation box. If you change your mind later, you can always search for it again and it will show as a new recent search. At this point, work your way down the list and tap the X for each search you want gone. You can leave any terms that you still use often. Beginners sometimes tap the word itself instead of the X, which runs the search instead of deleting it, so make sure you hit the small X icon each time. After that, glance back over the recent searches section to confirm it now looks the way you want. You might see only a few remaining entries or even an empty area with no recent searches listed. That visual change is the sign that your Reddit search history on this device has been cleared for those specific items. With that ready, you now know how to open Reddit search, view your recent searches, and delete the ones you do not want to keep. You just cleaned up your Reddit search history on your phone so it only shows what you choose to keep. If this helped tidy your searches, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick Reddit tips.